Right, to get the speed of the train after 9 seconds, we can just read off this speed time graph. So if I go up from 9 seconds carefully and then go across when it reaches the graph, I can see that the speed is 12 meters per second. What does a straight line suggest about the speed of the train over the first 15 seconds? I find this a little bit misleading because it's talking about the speed of the train. A constant gradient on a speed time graph means that the acceleration is constant. And here's some other answers accepted in the mark scheme. So you could have said that, if relating it more directly to speed, the speed increases by the same amount each time. That's the same thing as the acceleration being constant. You were also given marks if you said it accelerates most over the first 15 seconds. Not quite sure about that one. Increasing, the speed is increasing. That was accepted. And steadily increasing pace. But I'd say the acceleration is constant or equivalent is the best answer there. Work out the average speed of the train during the 60 seconds. The average speed is going to be the distance traveled divided by the time taken. So that's going to be over the whole thing. We can see the speed increasing, then being constant, and then decreasing, but we're looking at the average. And so the total time is going to be 60 seconds. We just need to work out the distance traveled, and that can be done by finding the area underneath the graph. So I need to split it into these 3 sections. First of all, I've got a height. I'm going to do the rectangle to start with. I've got a base of 35. Let me try that again. Base times 20, and that's going to give me 700. Okay, if I want to do this one over here, then it's a triangle, so it's a half times base times height, and that's going to be 100. And then finally, over here, I've got a half times 15. That's the base times 20. And that's going to leave me with 150. So my distance is going to be 150 plus 700 plus 100. I divide that by my total time. And I get 15.83 recurring. That's my exact answer. I probably would then round it to, say, 3 significant figures, 15.8 meters per second. That looks about right. I'm going at 20 meters per second for quite a long time. It's going to drag it up, but obviously there are periods where it's quite low as well.